In this video, I will show you how to download and install the YouTube app on your Windows 11 or 10 PC or laptop. Many people enjoy watching videos on YouTube, and having the app makes it easier to access your favorite content. You can follow a few simple steps to get the YouTube app up and running in no time. First things first, open up the Google Chrome web browser. Once Google Chrome is open, type in youtube.com in the URL bar at the top and hit enter. Now that you're on the YouTube site, look closely at the URL bar. Here, you'll notice a small download icon appearing next to the website address. Click on that download icon. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to install the YouTube app. Simply click on Install to begin downloading and installing the app onto your device. Once installation is complete, you can now open up the YouTube app just like any other application on your computer. Enjoy browsing videos, subscribing to channels, and creating playlists as you normally would. Now let's cover how to uninstall the YouTube app if you ever decide it's not for you anymore. Look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see 3 little dots. Click on those 3 dots, this will open a menu for additional options. From this menu, select Uninstall YouTube. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure about uninstalling. If you'd like to remove all data associated with your usage of YouTube as well, make sure to checkmark Remove this app data from Chrome. Finally, click Uninstall and just like that, the app will be removed from your system. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to download, install, and even uninstall the YouTube app on your Windows PC or laptop. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.